Hi guys, and welcome to this Bitcoin and Solana update. So the structure is still holding as we posted way back in February right here when we said that this local top here will happen, and then we are still missing for a final 5-wave move down. And as I posted today, we are following a couple of scenarios, but all paths lead to a new bottom. The only thing that can change is the road, which road Bitcoin takes to there, this one or this one, which also decides how long does this bear market still drag. So let's zoom in on our 4-hour time frame and let's see a couple of these paths or scenarios. Today I posted that I'm looking for a close below our 4-hour 50 EMA right here, and that did happen, and Bitcoin did go into this liquidity pool right here, which is the closest, and now it is time if Bitcoin takes this free money right here, or if it makes a reversal and makes a new high. Then would be a scenario of this being kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 then starts from here. But a reminder, first, this is Bitcoin's big test right here, this level, this 65.6K, which is a confluence area of 1 month and 1 daily 50 EMA, this channeling 2-month-old structure, and this now resistance right here. And then the next one, of course, is 67.2K, and 1 weekly 200 EMA sits very close to that level as well. And also Bitcoin not taking this liquidity and not continuing to the downside, this would show a local strength for Bitcoin because this is Bitcoin liquidation heat map, and Bitcoin already went into that zone right here. Okay, and if it goes into that zone and squeezes those longs, it may go into 59K area. And when it would be in a 59K area, this area then at 57 is very, very close. And then this one. So we will see what happens. FOMC minutes right here start at about 50 minutes. So they will start before I post this video. And maybe the market is waiting for that to make its move to the upside or to the downside. We will see. But a couple of scenarios and paths that I am looking for. If we go up, this was wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are coming down in wave 5, like we said before. If we are coming down from here, I'm looking for these scenarios. For me, this was a 3-wave move, and this was a 3-wave move, not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because of hint that we got here. I don't see a leading diagonal, although I understand how one could see it. I see more of an ABC and an ABC. So that's why this hints to me that this is a 3-wave move and this is a 3-wave move. So we'll see if this is some kind of a very nested or diagonal like 5-wave move, or if it was a 3-wave move. If it was a 3-wave move, there are a couple of options. This would be an ending diagonal, an expanding 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final wave 5. With this channeling structure right here. This could be even a larger contracting diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 3-wave move being only wave 1, or then the tricky part of this whole move being a running flat, something we've been talking about as well. And this was actually coming from wave 3, 4, and wave 5 starts right here in some kind of an impulse, this right here, or again some kind of a diagonal. We will see. But yeah, this will be very interesting. I think a lot of crypto right now is in a running flat or an irregular flat correction, and it wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin would make some kind of an A, B, and some kind of an ugly wave C right here, and started in its actual 5th wave move down right now. But looking at the funding is still positive and still rising, and open interest went down quite a bit, but is rising again. So this is a longs stepping up here. We'll see if this is a conviction, and we'll go up from here, or if these are the late longs that should enter from the bottom, but are long and are entering here and will be wiped out from this liquidity pool that we've seen on Bitcoin. Now let's quickly take a look at Solana. Yesterday we posted that the bottom may be in from the price action that happened right here. We said that this was some kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this was a possible triangle, A, B, C, D, E, that didn't go in the upper trend line, but this is very common for waves E. Waves E do not respect to go at their trend lines. So that would mean that we got a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, 4, fifth wave down, which is exactly the same length right here as is the length of this triangle. All is good, and we got a 5-wave up in a leading diagonal. So this looks great as well. And if we look at the Solana Bitcoin chart, this right here looks great as well. Why? Because this is a 5-wave impulse up. And this is not a corrective 3-wave move up. If that would be the case, we could expect another low in a 5-wave move up. The only case where this would be a corrective move, if this was really, again, some kind of hidden 3-wave move in this mini impulse. So another ABC in an irregular flat correction that went above 1.618 fib. So this is the only option where this move would not be impulsive, but would be an impulse, a part of an irregular flat correction. We are actually coming down in another 5-wave move down. We'll have to see if this holds, but from right here, this looks good. We could see some kind of a 3-wave move down, and correcting into this golden pocket right here is very common and is healthy. But if we go down in wave 1, 2, and third wave breaks, then this was our answer as well. But I want to also flag something, and that we got some ending volume right here, but this spike is not as big as we would want to. Okay, usually we get something like this and something like this, and with igniting volumes, which is a starting volume from this move right here, we got basically nothing. Okay, so this is the only thing that concerns me. This doesn't look very confident to me. Same goes for Solana chart. We got an ending volume right here with this capitulation, but we got some here, and we got some igniting volume here. But I would like to see this move right here make a lot greater and bigger volume candles. And if we look on our weekly chart, this is even more obvious. Okay, not a big ending volume and no igniting volume. So this is something that we had to pay attention to, and we also don't have a bullish divergence. This RSI on Solana has a lot of room to run below and still make a higher low. And this could then be something that happens, makes another low, and this is actually the truth. So we will see. Keep in mind that we don't like this volume here. I thought that we could make another high right here, or possibly, like I said in the video, break this 96 and close above and turn this into support and go higher. But that didn't happen, and with this move up, we could get some igniting volume. Okay, and that didn't happen. So with that in mind, I noticed another thing in this Solana chart, in a scenario that the bottom is not in. So again, we will see if this is an ABC. Up to 0.786 is normal. If third wave breaks, then we got our answer. But I noticed that if this was wave 3 and like all the crypto, that's in some kind of a flat correction, maybe Solana is some kind of a bigger flat correction, and this is then a 3-wave move, wave A, 3-wave move, wave B, and a 5-wave move ending diagonal, in this case wave C. So this being an ABC running flat, and Solana will start its final 5-wave move down from here. So I just wanted to be honest with you. I just noticed this yesterday, and I wanted to include this running flat ABC in this video as soon as possible. So yes, with Solana, all eyes on this $60 level and on volume. If volume not spiking was the real hint that Solana gave us, and we are actually coming in a new low. And with Bitcoin, all eyes on these levels right here. Was that a fake below the 4-hour 50 EMA? And Bitcoin leaves this liquidity pool and goes higher. The first test, 65.6, and the second, 67.2. So that was it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Will Bitcoin break these levels right here? Or will it take this liquidity right here, which makes this wave one possible and continuation to the downside? So that was it. And until next time, have a great one. Bye bye.